What's up, Brooksters? What is poppin'? Before you do anything, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you're probably counting, I guess. I don't even know what to comment. But, so, what we're going to do today is we are going to be with Jack. Say what's up.
So,
What's up, boy? Also, what we're going to do today, we just didn't have nothing to do. So, I just suggested, why don't we make paper airplanes, Jack? Good? Good. Well, so, alright, wait, I don't know if it's going to roll, but if it just randomly cuts off, that means I don't have any more space. And, oh, by the way, there was a new video set out. Go check that video out, after this video, and it's called Never Have I Ever Challenge. Jack, did you watch it?
wait, what was it about?
Never Have I Ever Challenge.
Yeah, what?
Tell them to go check it out, so go check it out.
Go check it out. If you do, leave a like, or else I'm coming for you.
That's what Holden said.
I know.
So if it just randomly comes off, just to let you know, it's probably. Oh, well,
Wait,
Jack, get a piece of paper. We make a paper airplane.
Hey,
Alright,
Brooks.
so
Hey, Brooks.
what my creation is, I don't know
Hey, Brooks.
how to call it, but it's pretty popular on YouTube.
Do you put it on video, but then put it on YouTube?
Talk about that after. Well, so, oh my gosh, Jack, I made this perfect. Oh, dang it. It was a little bit off. But, so, Jack, Jack, follow my steps. So, we're going to see whose paper airplane is the best. See? Now go like that. Go like that.
Mine's gonna be the best. I mean, worst.
Yeah. It's alright, you're just learning. You're just in first grade.
Yes, I am.
So, yeah. We got Trevor in there on Instagram. And Jed's doing his homework. He couldn't do it.
Hey, Brooks.
Also, see?
Brooks. Hey, Brooks. You should make shirts that says Brooks Savage.
I know.
Are you?
I don't know. Ooh, well, so basically we're just making paper airplanes. Hold on, let me check if it's still on. Yep, it is. Yep, it is, boy. Well, so yeah, we're basically just making paper airplanes, aren't we, Jack? What are you doing? He's doing the shredder. Well, so I'm making my paper airplane. I want to make it a secret. I don't know if you can see me or not, so I'm going to kind of do it closer up here.
But I don't even know how to measure.
Boy, mine looks perfect.
Mine would look
I don't know
like
if you can see.
mine would look like stupid.
Well, so here is my reveal of my plane. Boom! Y'all see it?
Perfect. Look,
This is my plane.
bro, this is
Right there.
Be perfect.
That's gonna suck. Hey, Jack, will you hold the camera for me?
Yeah, sure.
Well, so here's what I'm going to do.
So
Here's the Brooks Savage. I am going to do it.
that was a pretty good throw. Savage.
Get it? His name is Brooks Savage.
Team
Get it?
Georgia's winning right now.
Georgia?
Team Georgia's winning.
What do you-
What
They're
team
playing
is
Michigan.
what team
Wait.
is Savage on?
This is not Travis. This is the Little League World Series.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Go check out that. Wait, they're playing?
They're playing right now.
Yeah, yes.
Wait, what inning is it?
Go look on my phone in there. I think it's the bottom of the 4.
Oh, well, guys, make sure to go check that out right after you watch this.
Hawaii's gonna win the whole thing.
Huh?
Hawaii's gonna beat the crap out of everyone. If they beat Georgia, and they're gonna win the whole thing.
Hey, say what's up, Trevor. What's up? Follow him on
bomb home run.
Trevor, what inning is Brooks asking me?
What is it?
What inning?
What inning was it?
Well, so
That was the top of the third.
Jack.
Top of the 3rd. They're winning 5-4.
Yeah, guys, I know this video is kind of boring.
I think it's 5, Trevor.
Make sure to leave a like on here. Make sure to leave a like on here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. And I see you, Spiderweb.